Hello everyone, my name is Vũ Đức Huy. I'm going to read a story. Dawn's hiccups. Dawn enters a competition. She will sing a television. Hic, hic, hic. Dawn is nervous. Oh no, I can't sing. I have hiccups. Dawn's mother gave her a scare. Surprise! Hic, hic. Dawn still has hiccups. Put your fingers in your ears. Hic. But Dawn still has hiccups. Suck on a slice of lemon. Hic. But Dawn still has hiccups. The nurse gives Dawn a glass of water. Drink it upside down. Dawn's hiccups go. She is happy. She combs her hair. The music plays. She sings her song. It's beautiful. It's crowd, short, and cheers. The end. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.